Okay, bang. Okay, we're going to clean this whole entire apartment. So you guys have to come along with me. I'm gonna share with you guys some tips and tricks. I'm gonna do a haul of the things that I purchased, and I'm gonna share with you guys where I purchased them. If any of you guys are interested in buying these items too. Ooh, I might be coming in and out of story time to share with you guys some random story time just to keep you guys entertained. And they're mainly like Jamaican-based story times, so I think you guys will like them. Of things that happened to me while in Jamaica or things that I just experienced here. Okay. Oh, you can see my broom in the background. And like some of the items here, I'm gonna test out the quality if I'm going to repurchase them. If I'm not, I'm gonna share with you guys my cleaning products, my tools, my tips, my tricks, everything. So let's get into this video and let's clean this empty apartment.
Yeah, you know what Jabel represent for Annesha Adams YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Yeah.
Okay, I'm looking rough today, but it's just cleaning. It's cleaning. I feel like I'm not gonna wear this the whole entire time because I'm gonna get cold. I'm gonna get hot cleaning, but it's kind of cold. Have you guys guessed what parish I am living in? Okay, anyways, I have some socks. They're kind of stained up and stained, so I'm gonna wear those. If you guys didn't watch my empty apartment tour, you guys go and watch the empty apartment tour. Oh, I live on the main road. Where's the last time I'll ever do that? Because it's so loud, it's annoying. Also, if you guys didn't know, now you guys know, I actually like cleaning. I like cleaning. Yeah, it just makes me feel good about myself, so I'm actually excited to do this video with you guys. I think I'm gonna start with the bedrooms. So let's start off with the bedrooms and let's get into this cleaning. Put my socks on.
You know Jack.
Is it just me? Ooh, I'm echoing so much. Is it just me or this room looks like it has like a greenish undertone or I don't know. Got this room. I think I'm gonna dust first. Oh my gosh, I still haven't put up my curtains. I need to get a not a screwdriver, what? I need to get a drill to put up my curtains. So that's what I'm gonna have to worry about after that cleaning. I got this room here. It's ugly, but it's gonna do the job for now. I bought this at like one of those Asian-owned haberdasheries for, I want to say 150, probably like 200, 250, maybe 300 the most. I don't even think they're that much, but it comes with a broom and stick and went. And yeah, so I want you guys to comment down below and let me know if you guys know any places that sell brooms that are like much more nicer than this in like looks and like even like the type of broom, because I don't really like how it's all spaced out. Let me know down below and so you can help me out because I need to know. So I'm gonna start with dusting and I'm gonna start probably the corner right here. Okay, boom. I'm gonna tell you guys some short story times or just random story times. So when I was coming back from purchasing all these cleaning items, so I was leaving the main town of Spalding and I was with my friend in my car and we were just taking our sweet slow time because it was around like 4 or 5 o'clock and there was so much traffic. So all my windows were down and me and my friend were just talking and telling stories and we were laughing and we couldn't stop laughing. And then I guess a lady was waiting for me to go past her for her to cross the road. And all I heard was, yeah, shut up your mouth and drive up the car. And then when I looked in my rear view mirror, she just like walked past the road and went to the store that I guess she wanted to go to. And I couldn't stop laughing. I know, random story. I cannot stop laughing. So you guys are probably like, why am I cleaning the place if it's a brand new place and you're the first person to move in? Let me tell you guys what happened. So the landlord hired a girl to clean the place, a woman or whatever, and the lady literally only mopped up the place and took off. The construction workers that were working here and other people that live in the building, they were telling me, they're like, she came and like 20 minutes later she like switched her clothes, like put back on like her regular clothes and then left. Like, so obviously the landlord trusted her and like paid her. She didn't do nothing, like she didn't clean her or nothing like that. So I couldn't stop laughing when I found out when I heard the story because I'm like, what the beak? What kind of style is that? Yeah, that's why I was just laughing while I was taking all the dust off here. I don't think I'll be able to take off all the dust in one like cleaning. I would have to just constantly do this like every week and then all the dust will disappear. Okay, this whole entire time I was struggling with the big broom that I showed you guys and I forgot I bought this in Spalding. I bought this for $200 and it's just a small little set here. But I literally only bought it for the dustpan, even though the dustpan was small. But they didn't have any other bigger ones that I liked, so I had to buy the smaller one. And I can use it to clean the top of my closet. And I'm here struggling with a big long clapper's broom. Look at it. I wasn't going to buy it too. I was telling the lady, I was like, this dustpan is so small, look at it. I was like, what am I doing with this? Okay, so I would actually recommend this. It's really good for hard to reach places. Let me tell you guys where I got it. I got it at Wilshire Plaza in Spalding's, Clarendon. So there's like so it's a haberdashery store in Wilshire Plaza. It's like very big, so you can't really miss it. Okay, next story time. This has happened to me twice. Once in Hanover and another time, basically near Tremont. I'll just say that at there's a primary school. Anyways, so I was walking. I passed the primary school, and then I was about to hit the Scotiabank to go to Tremont. And then I saw a police jeep. Okay, so I got some rags. I don't even know how many I picked up. Here's some here in this bag here. Here's one here. Here's one here. Here is one here. 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 6 of these rags here from the same Asian-owned haberdashery in Spalding. So the haberdashery in Spalding at Wilshire Plaza. These are $40 each, okay? The reason why I only spent $40 on these is because I'm gonna dash these away after, like, I'm not gonna keep them and they're so cheap. Another thing is, do not use this on white stuff because I'm gonna explain once I reach to the kitchen and tell you guys why you should not use these. I'm gonna show you guys why you shouldn't, but I don't really care for these things. Honestly, if it was me, because someone came shopping me and they're like, just buy them. I would have got some old clothes, cut them up and use it to clean the house and then dash it away. So I got rubbing alcohol. Bought this in Spalding's for, I don't remember, I just threw it in. And then I got the spray bottle, $200. And I put the rubbing alcohol in the spray bottle. You guys are gonna see what I'm gonna do with this. So before. Clean. Oh, it came off. Oh my gosh. I bought some steel, this is not steel wool. I think this is like a scrubbing pad. I bought this and it was in Spalding's as well, and it was from the supermarket beside the Sun Mart. Okay, I don't know the name of it. Scrapers, that's from my mom's house. So there's some stuff stuck on the ground, like I think it's paint and some other things. I'm gonna scrape them off and see. I might not, I got both paint in case this doesn't take it off this well, but I feel like this will. Come up beside me and the police jeep stopped and I was like, OMG, why are they stopping? Anyway, so one of the furniture polish and I'm gonna fiberglass to clean the doors. The soldiers hopped out of the police jeep and was asking me for my number. And the guy was good looking too, and I was like, yeah, no. So the second time what had happened was when I was in Hanover, right? I was driving, and then the soldier jeep overtook me. And then one of the soldiers at the back of the jeep started fanning my car down, and I was like, well, okay, Windex to clean the mirror. Why is he fanning my car down? But I kept on driving, and then he did it again. And then I was like, why is he doing that? Is my car tire popped? Guys, please clean your windows, your mirrors. Not only that does it reflect positive like light and energy into your life, but it just looks better. I just cleaned it and I was like, wait, this is actually really dirty. I don't know why I continue to say police jeeps, but it's actually soldier jeeps for both of the stores. Okay, so I took off the socket plate covers because I had paint on, because I didn't paint around here properly. So I'm gonna put them back on, but I have to clean them because there's paint and primer and everything on it. What I'm going to use again is alcohol. I have this in case I have to use it, and then this in case I have to use it. Before. After. Okay, now I'm going to use Comment because I'm going to scrub the ground. And this is, I think this is a bootleg Ajax. I think I got this at Walmart or maybe Dollar Tree. I can't remember. Yeah, I think it's Walmart. So I'm going to use this to help take off the stuff on the ground and the little paints. There's only small paints. And then he signaled for me to slow down and pull over. So I was like, damn, maybe one of my car tires are like flat and I didn't even know. And then I got this mop stick for $100 at the same store in Spaldings that I keep on talking about.
Anyway, so one of the soldiers hopped out of the front of the police jeep and he came around to my side of the window and he was talking to me and he was saying that how he had to stop because I was so attractive. He was good looking too, but then I asked him, I was like, listen, where do you live? And he was saying that he works in many different parishes, but it's all like Portland, Mobay, Hanover, Westmoreland. And I was like, oh, we can't work together. You live too far and I'm not going any far distance. I'm not going to any far distance to see any man.
I actually forgot to show you guys that I have this Eco Glass and Surface Cleaner. Listen, the reason why I got this is because I never saw it before. And when I went up the other day, I was like, well, listen, this has to be something that came out in the last like 2-3 years because I haven't been up there for that long. So I bought this so we can try it out. Time to do the bathroom. I have to take this down still. I'm getting rid of that. Let's see. Okay, so what I have now is, I'm just gonna say pine saws, like bootleg pine saw I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to have to take some gloves, so I'm going to put on gloves right now. And then someone told me that one of the workers here used the toilet, and there's doo-doo stains in the toilet, so I was disgusted. And I bought a toilet brush cleaner just for this toilet, just so I can throw up right after. I had to make someone else come in and clean this bathroom before I came in, because I have a thing with like doo-doo. I don't like seeing other people do, I don't like seeing doo-doo in general. So it's still bugging me now that someone else used this bathroom. And I wasn't the first person, and this is burning face. Anyways, gloves on. I'm going in with the Great Value Eco Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I got this because I'm like, hey, this is like eco-friendly. I think it was affordable too. Then I got another thing from Walmart. It's the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. I got this because so many people on YouTube keep on using this brand. And then I was gonna buy it on Amazon and ship it to Jamaica, but I was like, when I was in Canada, I was like, well, let me just buy this all-purpose cleaner and see if I even like it. And I bought it because it's pink. It's so pretty.
Ever in my life. And then I said it to him like that. And he was like, oh, I can drive to you. I have a car and stuff like that. And I was like, no. But he was really nice though. He was pleasant, nice. He was good looking, but I just wasn't interested. Oh, this is why I wasn't interested as well. I asked him if he has a girlfriend right now. And then he was like, oh, I'm just talking to someone. I was like, oh, no. Because I hate when men do that. Men will be talking to you, and then if they find someone else that they stop talking to you, even though no matter how long you've been talking to them. So I was like, yeah, I'm not going to be the reason why you stop talking to that nice girl. If she's nice, I don't know. But yeah. Okay, next story. So Annie wanted to keep a gathering. Well, I didn't even know it was a gathering. She asked me to use my extension cords for a few hours. I was like, of course, sure, why not?
I'm going to show you guys. So I got bleach, wholesale bleach in bulk in Spaldings from the liquid disinfectant store in Spaldings, the wholesale one. So I just got this. This was $230.
Anyway, so people came in the night. Okay, remember curfew is on, I want to say it was a Sunday, so it was 2 o'clock. And he was using my extension cord, and I was like, okay, I'm not going home without my extension cord. So I was there. The gathering for people to come wasn't until I would say 4 or 5 people started coming. And then I started getting darker and darker. And I was like, how long is this girl trying to have?
I got this mop here in Spaldings. It's really long. And it comes with this bucket here, and I paid 1,000, I think it was 800. There's stuff crawling in my shirt. And I'm just gonna use this to clean the top parts of the tub because I can't reach it. I don't want to slip and bust my head.
Like a party. So it kept on getting darker and darker.
I told you there's doo-doo! This is so nasty.
I see more people coming on their bikes, cars pulling up, people are dancing in the road, and I was like, what is happening? Anyway, so I'm just there dancing, yeah, nodding my head. And then after when I checked the time, I'm like, wait, 12 o'clock.
Okay, so now I'm doing the kitchen, and it's getting dark on me, so let's hurry up.
So it's like it's 12 o'clock in the morning. I said, oh shoot, man. And I was cold because where we live up in the hills. So it's way up in the hills. I love that community because like only people who live there will drive up in that place. So it's always quiet. Anyway, so I'm shivering and I decided to sit down on a rock because I'm like, it's so cold and I can't go home without my extension cord. Anyway, so I'm shivering, and then out of nowhere, her brother was like, oh, he was telling Annie that I want back the extension cords, that it's getting late.
So there's paint on here.
So Annie went to go get the extension cords and plugged it out and started rolling it up to give it to me. And then some random man, he actually started cussing. And he was like, she really wants a extension card, Jeep, we can buy that if we want. And I was like, what the beep? And then so Annie's brother was like, okay, don't pay him no mind, because I don't know why he's cussing. It's your extension cord, and it's 12 in the morning. Keep in mind it's curfew. Annie's brother was like, just don't say anything, because they know how I am. I'll cuss off people. So I was like, whatever, I don't have time for this. So he's cussing, extra wanted our extension card, but acting the most so loud on the wall. And in my head, I'm like, yo, if extension cord's so cheap and you can buy that and whatever, why don't you just go walk to your house and go get the extension cord? Annie only asked me to use my extension cord for 4 hours for another thing that was keeping like in the day before 2 p.m. And look, it's 12 a.m. now and it's freezing, the wind is blowing and it's cold, and you guys are trying to have a huge party during curfew. Anyways, after when the man start cussing, two twos, I see people shotgun and run into the bushes, and I was the only person standing in the middle of the road, because I'm like, what the beep is everyone running? They're so extra, it's just a car. When I look again, it was a police cruiser. So the police cruiser was there just shining the lights on me, so I took off and ran into the bushes after. And then I seen the police cruisers just run and pull up in front of Annie's house. And then I and Chubby, I don't know if you've seen Chubby in some of my vlogs, but me and him went sliding. I left him actually. I went slipping and sliding down this.
Just to clean this out. Oh, this smells good. So the method grapefruit all-purpose spray actually tastes good. Smells good. So we're just scrubbing this. Look at my fingernails all through these, and then hers is done.
Hill. Remember I told you guys we live on the hills and people's houses are alongside the hill going up. So I went in someone's backyard and I went slipping and sliding. Oh, I think it was Annie's brother's backyard. I went slipping and sliding down the hill. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Okay, it's night and I'm done. I'm basically done. So I have a bag here. What I'm going to do is now go in with night lights. So I'm going to go around the whole place putting in night lights. So I bought night lights for every room. I got these at Dollar Tree. So these are automatic and they're LEDs. So guys, I got this at Dollar Tree. I can always keep them in the socket and they'll always turn on and off. Okay, let's put one in this room. Ooh, pretty. So we're gonna put one in this room here. Pretty. This bathroom here. Put it up to the ceiling to reflect light. Let's put one in here. Ooh, pretty. Let's put one right here. Pretty. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. All done. In here is all, let me show you guys. In here is all done. This room is clean. That bathroom is finally clean. This room is clean too. This bathroom is clean top to bottom. It smells good. And my washroom is clean. My laundry room is clean from top to bottom. All done. And we have 2 more for the last 2 places, which is the bathroom. Oh wait, I don't know if I have a socket in here actually. Oh my God, I don't have a socket for in here. One in the washroom. I'll turn it up that way. Okay, last thing I have to do is take off this plastic off the door, because the doors are new and I have to do this for all parts of the house. And the slippers I had on had no grip. And the grass was wet because again, it's 12 in the morning. So I guess the place got a little bit like dewy. And then all I know is I reached up and I ended where a pig pen is. And then all I heard was the police calling somebody's name. And then someone was informing and saying, it was Annie, it's Annie. And then I heard Annie cussing saying that someone is an informer. So anyways, that was the story of me running from police, okay? Because I was not trying to get sent down to Porras. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, like cleaning videos. I'm going to do some organization and decluttering videos, so you guys can stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe if you want to see those. I also have another like decluttering, organizing video of me cleaning out an outdoor shed. So I'm going to link that video so you guys can watch. That's it. I hope you guys like it. It's time for me to go eat some food, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Au revoir.